This is an easy, simple egg salad sandwich recipe. I started a bit at the start there, but we keep these going because that's what it's all about. So, easy, simple egg salad sandwich recipe. This is everything you're going to need for it. So, I've got some spinach. Don't mind the organic, it's just fucking, lip service. Some bread, I only bought that because it was better in date. I've got some bread, so I've got some 7 Seasons or 7 Seeds Sensations by Hovis. I prefer the whole wheat with seeds on it. You do get some more micros and good fats. I have 2 boiled eggs. One didn't go very well, one went okay. So essentially what you do for the boiled eggs, if you do not know, put boiling water in a pan, or a pot, sorry. Get the water to a rolling boil and boil these for about 7 to 8 minutes. That's going to give you the hard yolk on the inside, which is what we want. I have my toast cooking away right now, and my bread turning into toast. And then all I'm going to do is chop up this egg. So I have my egg here, and I'm just going to chop this up. I'm going to throw it into a bowl as well once I've chopped it up. There are much more skilled professionals out there than me when it comes to things like this, as you can see. But you do not need to be Gordon Ramsay to make your food taste happy. So, there you go. And that's my egg chopped up. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to put it in a bowl. This might be a one take clip here. One take clip of the recipe. So I have my egg salad mayo here. Sorry, my egg. I'm just going to put this in here. There's always a bit of collateral damage. You can't get it in the bowl. Oh, there's toast ready. Hopefully. So I have that. I could probably have chopped that up better. I'm going to just give it a little bit of a mash down. And then I'm going to put in around a teaspoon, so 30-ish grams of meal. Some salt and some pepper. And then you just give that a mix around as well. Here we go. It's all done. And I'm going to go and grab my toast. So I have my 2 pieces of bread. I'm actually going to put on my spinach first. So I'm going to make this look all fancy. Get my spinach on here. Spinach is optional, but I do like spinach. A little bit of greenery, make it look aesthetic. And then my egg mayo. And just get spread on. A little bit of spare, I'll probably just eat that rather than pile it onto the sandwich. Is that good to go? Let me try one of these, like fancy aesthetic. You see the recipe of this. Oh. There you go. You turn it out and it looks absolutely incredible. It's like a steak. Oh, there you go. Some of that. And that is how you make a nice, simple, easy egg salad sandwich recipe. That is going to be my lunch. A little bit more aesthetic. Put some salt on top of it. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe if you haven't done so already if you're watching on YouTube. Leave a comment, let me know what you'd like me to try next. And there's tons of free stuff in the description as well. Meal plans, programs, everything under the sun. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like because it does really help me out. And you can also apply to join our program in the description. See you in the next one. Just made this recipe up. If you haven't watched it, it will be on the channel. It will be live by the time this one comes out. Nice, easy egg salad sandwich recipe. Goal is to make things quick, efficient, effective, hard hitting. The easier and simpler you can make the process to stick to it and enjoy, the more results you're going to get. If you're making things too complex, if you're making things too complicated, too much time in the gym, too much cardio, all of these things that you hate, it has an end date. Simple, easy, effective.